There is a quiet moment at the end of the day when a man begins to notice how his body really feels. The distractions of work are gone, the noise has settled, and what remains is a sense of heaviness, stiffness, or sluggishness that did not exist when he was younger. Many men notice it in their legs first. Some feel it in their feet. Others feel it in their overall energy. What most men never realize is that these sensations often reflect circulation changes that influence far more than they expect, including performance. The truth is simple. The body heals, restores, and balances itself during the night, and the foods you eat before bed can either support that process or work against it. When the right foods are added into your evening routine, they help relax blood vessels, support nitric oxide, calm inflammation, and assist the body in restoring healthy circulation for the following day. The first example is beans. They contain natural compounds that help reduce inflammation and support vascular function. Most men do not associate beans with performance, but circulation begins with blood vessel health. When inflammation is reduced, blood flows more freely. Eating beans in the evening gives the body a slow release of nutrients that support vascular repair while you sleep. Carrots offer another layer. They support nitric oxide and help maintain the flexibility of blood vessels. For men, this matters more than they realize. When blood vessels are stiff, circulation slows. When they are flexible, responsiveness improves. Carrots deliver antioxidants that the body uses overnight to restore that flexibility. This is not about age. It is about giving your body the upkeep it needs. Garlic plays a powerful role in evening circulation support as well. It encourages relaxation in the blood vessels and helps the body maintain more open pathways. Many men notice that when they include garlic consistently, their hands and feet feel warmer and less tense at the end of the day. That same circulation support carries forward into the moments that require confidence and responsiveness. Dark chocolate adds a surprising benefit. It contains natural compounds called flavonols that support nitric oxide. This allows the blood vessels to relax more easily. Having a small amount in the evening, especially one with higher cocoa content, supports the circulatory system while you sleep. It is not about indulgence. It is about giving your body a natural tool that aligns with its nighttime repair cycle. Black tea offers a similar advantage. It supports the endothelial lining of the blood vessels, helping them remain responsive. Many men turn to coffee late in the day, not realizing it disrupts their sleep and tightens circulation. Black tea provides a calmer, more supportive alternative. It works slowly, assisting nitric oxide and vascular health without overstimulation. Together, these foods help the body restore circulation during the hours when repair is most efficient. And circulation is the foundation of male performance. When blood flow is strong, confidence feels natural. When blood flow weakens, performance becomes unpredictable. This is why so many men over 50 feel changes long before they understand the cause. But the truth is reassuring. Your body is not failing. It is asking for support. What men rarely hear is that natural solutions work best when they align with the same systems these foods influence: blood flow, nitric oxide, inflammation balance, and vascular responsiveness. The foods you eat set the foundation. A well-designed natural supplement strengthens that foundation by supporting the same pathways in a more consistent way. This is where Forever Ready becomes essential. It follows the same biological logic as these evening foods. It supports nitric oxide. It supports circulation. It supports the natural signals of desire and vitality. It strengthens the pathways the body relies on for confidence. And it does so without forcing anything unnatural. This is why so many men turn to it after years of frustration with quick fixes or one-dimensional formulas. Forever Ready uses natural ingredients that work with your physiology. They help your blood vessels stay responsive. They support internal balance. They encourage the body to restore the rhythm it once had. And when that rhythm returns, the man you remember comes back with it. Many men feel the emotional side of circulation decline long before they talk about it. They feel pressure they cannot explain. They worry their partner notices. They worry something is wrong, but the issue is almost always imbalance, not decline. Supporting circulation at night and throughout the day restores the balance men need. If you want to explore a natural formula built around these same principles, there is a link in the description. Look through the ingredients in Forever Ready. See how each one supports nitric oxide, circulation, and vitality. Decide for yourself whether this aligns with your goals and the support your body has been asking for. Your strength is not disappearing. Your body is simply asking for balance. And when circulation is supported, confidence rises with it.